This is the Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. I love getting these samples at Sephora, especially when they have like a nice decent amount. So that's what we will be trying out today. And we'll be swatching all these shades. We have 4, why not? I have them here. This is a weightless buildable full coverage foundation with a natural matte finish that wears for up to 24 hours. Wow. If I would have known before, I would have probably bought it like to test it out, because you know I'm super oily. I love matte foundations, and it says it's full coverage, so it's everything that I would want. If you like foundation reviews, I have many on my channel. I will leave a playlist in the description and also in the comment. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz BeautyStyle. Let's go ahead and get started. I already moisturized my face. I moisturized with the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. I believe that my color would actually be 1.40 if we're going by like the name. It's a neutral light with neutral undertone. It would be 1.40. This one starts with 2.10. 2.10, 3.25, 360, and 4.30. So the shade might not match the best. We will make it work. But I'm just letting you know, just in case you're similar to me, that's the one I think would work. We'll be linking everything I'll be using in this video in the description. Just swatch this. See, that actually looks good. To me, it doesn't look like a cool undertone, but... So I'm going to dot this all over my face, applying this with a beauty blender, and I'm going to leave it there just so it dries, and then we do a fresh swatch so we see if it oxidizes. Also put the list of the ingredients. I always like to do that. Put some concealer under my eyes only. Dot this like this. Let's see how quick it dries, if it gives us time to blend. I'm just gonna do half of the face first. This color looks like it would be good for me, seriously, just by looking at it, but I don't know. Let's blend. No scent. This color looks really good. Blended so easily. Not looking super matte, but I'm not looking shiny either. You know, super matte will like emphasize your fine lines. I would say it's looking like a medium coverage. Try to build it up. Let me do that before I go on to the other side just to see. But how is this a cool undertone? I don't get it. Have had more full coverage foundations, but this has really good coverage. This is for normal, dry combination, and oily. It has highlight ingredients. Hyaluronic acid visibly plumps and hydrates skin, helping create a smoother canvas. I totally agree. Antioxidant rich birch extract soothes and brightens the look of skin. This is a buildable full coverage multi-dimensional foundation, addresses not just tone but also skin texture. It's like it's getting dark, you see that? But we'll do a fresh swatch later. And this, sorry, I didn't tell you, so excited. It retails for $40. Feel like it's a natural finish. It doesn't look powdery or thick. It just looks like it melts with your skin. Let me just do the other swatches. Horrible swatches, but go do my other tutorial. I plan to do a very dark look. I don't know why, that's just how I'm feeling. I will be right back and we will talk about this foundation. Okay, I finally finished this makeup look. I'm in love. And it was a chit chat, get ready with me. I don't know if you'll want to watch that. This foundation is just too beautiful. Again, this is a first impressions. I haven't had it on for hours and hours and hours. I usually like to take off my makeup immediately after filming unless I'm going out. Like, it doesn't look like foundation. It literally is a natural finish, but with coverage. Of course, I set it with powder. I set it with my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. It's translucent powder. It didn't look bad without the powder, but I'm oily, so of course I'm gonna put powder. Everything blended on top so well. It looks so good. Like acne here, and you could still see it. So it's not, I can't say it's full coverage. You get a nice medium coverage, and it doesn't have a scent. It feels super lightweight on the face. Gives me time to blend, which I love. I really want to get the NARS one too. The new one from NARS. I also tried that one out. I want to get like the big bottle. Let me know if you've tried this foundation. What do you think? Like, I don't expect any foundation to keep me matte all day. That's impossible. And I did not use a primer today. I always use a primer with my foundations. That's just my personal preference. Left this one, as you can see, the color definitely oxidized. This is gonna be the fresh swatch. See, that's the same. This is the same color. Look how much it changed. So just keep that in mind. Color doesn't look that bad, but you want it to blend with your neck. I think the worst one was the over one. It's so sad because I loved everything about it, but check the video if you want to know more about it. But you see, these are the same colors, 210, and look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.